Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. We're gonna be lighting up some fireworks. Weather is absolutely terrible. 10:53 at night right now. All the boys are drinking, all the boys are partying. I'm not. I've had 6 hours of sleep in the past 2 days. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Got the stuff in the back. It's a new year. Let's do this. It's so windy out here. Let's go to the city. These are actually insanely loud. Holy shit, that's loud! Yeah, those are kind of dog shit. We got the big boy. All right, it is time to do the blast of the year. We're into 2024, a new year. Let's fucking do this. I got no clue what to expect. I got pink because I love pink, and I'm sorry for the windy audio. I can't do shit about that. Welcome to the Netherlands, where it's always fucked up weather. Happy 2024. Let's do this and let's go home because I'm tired. I drove all the way out to this goddamn forsaken place just so I could record this video with you guys instead of being with the guys and drinking. So yeah, dedication, I suppose. You see, that was worth $30. That was fucking awesome. Yes. Oh shit, we got cups rolling up.